The robots aren't coming. They're already here. And what you're about to see isn't sci-fi. It's real, deployed, and already replacing humans. Figure A, I just revealed a humanoid so advanced, it walks, works, and reasons in ways that feel unsettlingly human. But that's not all. Amazon is now testing robot deliveries in real neighborhoods. And Pepsi? They've deployed robotic brand ambassadors, not just to serve, but to speak, perform, and interact with crowds like celebrities. This is no longer an experiment. This is the new workforce. And if you think it's just automation, think again. 100% of viewers should comment, are you excited or disturbed by what these robots can now do? The rise of humanoid robots has taken a massive leap forward, and it's more real than ever. Figure AI has unveiled its autonomous humanoid robot in partnership with BMW, and it's not just for show. This robot can walk, navigate real-world factory environments, and even make decisions based on context. It's already being deployed in BMW's facilities, doing work once reserved for humans. From lifting and sorting to moving parts across production lines, the robot is performing tasks with uncanny precision and independence. What's unsettling is how quickly it's improving. The robot is equipped with vision and language models, which means it can see, understand, and respond. Like a worker that doesn't eat, sleep, or get paid. It doesn't ask questions, it doesn't make mistakes. And now it's scaling. Outside the factory, Amazon is running trials with robots in real neighborhoods. These bots aren't just roaming the streets, they're delivering packages door to door. It's no longer a prototype hidden in a lab. These machines are replacing the people we used to greet at our doorsteps. Pepsi has also joined the game, introducing humanoid brand ambassadors powered by AI. These robots speak, perform, and promote. And they don't just attract attention, they steal the spotlight. This isn't automation behind the scenes. It's AI taking center stage. And all of this is only the beginning. In just the past year, what we thought would take decades is now happening in real time. Figure AI's robots are not science experiments. They're clocking in. In a BMW factory, these humanoids are not only performing physical tasks, but are also doing them with adaptive intelligence. They can pick up a part, move it accurately, recognize obstacles, and adjust their actions accordingly. No fatigue, no lunch breaks, just relentless efficiency. Meanwhile, Amazon's delivery bots are undergoing street-level trials that feel like dystopian science fiction. They stop at your front door, detect your presence, and deliver with precision. They're connected to cloud-based AI, updating in real time to avoid traffic and obstacles. They aren't coming to replace a few workers. They're coming to replace thousands. But the shift isn't limited to labor-intensive tasks. Pepsi's use of humanoid robots for brand activation shows us a more eerie development. These machines can interact socially. They greet fans, mimic emotions, and speak convincingly in public settings. Built for entertainment, they perform with such believability that it's hard to tell where the robot ends and the illusion begins. It's no longer about automating repetitive tasks. It's about mimicking humans entirely, from work to communication to performance. And what's even more haunting is the fact that most people still think this is futuristic hype. It's not. It's happening now, and companies are investing billions to scale it globally. What began in controlled lab spaces is now spreading across society. Figure A or I's humanoid isn't just another machine. It's part of a growing movement toward intelligent physical agents operating independently in human environments. These robotic systems analyze visual input, understand speech, interpret intent, and carry out multi-step actions, all while adapting to dynamic surroundings. BMW's deployment proves these machines aren't theoretical. They're operational and expanding across departments. Amazon's initiative further demonstrates this technological surge. These autonomous vehicles now traverse sidewalks, avoid pets, read house numbers, and update their path without human guidance. Their performance relies on spatial mapping, object recognition, and contextual awareness, making them more than just delivery drones. They're mobile decision makers. Each test run makes the system smarter, more efficient, and more scalable. Pepsi's robotic hosts add a disturbing social layer. Designed to entertain and engage, these humanoids recognize facial expressions, maintain eye contact, and deliver promotional messaging tailored to audience behavior. They don't just mimic celebrities, they're engineered to surpass them in consistency, availability, and engagement. And audiences, knowingly or not, are beginning to prefer them. The psychological implications are enormous. As consumers interact with synthetic personalities, the line between artificial and authentic continues to erode. Children growing up with robotic companions may form bonds with code rather than humans. Workers replaced by synthetic colleagues may struggle to compete with tireless, flawless alternatives. In every setting, from manufacturing and logistics to customer service and entertainment, these systems are proving their value to businesses, but not without cost. Society stands at a critical juncture. Embrace the benefits, but remain alert to what's being displaced. The machines aren't waiting, they're learning, evolving, and stepping into roles once believed uniquely human. The robotic revolution isn't coming. It has arrived, and it's accelerating with every passing day. No longer confined to research labs, humanoid machines are now operational in workplaces, neighborhoods, and even on public stages. What was once a glimpse of tomorrow is today's reality. Figure AI's deployment in manufacturing, Amazon's street-tested delivery units, and Pepsi's AI-powered performers are early signs of a larger shift that's already underway. These machines don't just assist, they replace. They take jobs without resistance, operate without fatigue, and adapt without hesitation. They're not held back by emotion, personal needs, or even laws that protect human labor. Their capabilities are growing, their presence expanding, and their roles evolving. From logistics to entertainment, from customer service to industrial automation, no sector remains untouched. But perhaps the most profound transformation is happening quietly, in our minds. The more we interact with AI-powered entities, the more we normalize them. People begin to form connections, trust their decisions, and accept their presence as natural. That's the real takeover, a shift in social dynamics, culture, and perception. We are not just building better tools, we're reshaping the meaning of work, companionship, and intelligence. This is not a warning, it's a reckoning. Humanity must decide how to proceed, as controllers of the machines or as their cohabitants in a shared world that's changing faster than laws or ethics can keep up. 100% of viewers should comment, would you live in a world run by AI robots or fight to keep things human?